What if I told you that computers can recognize your face faster than your grandma can? It's true. Computers can think and understand things in their own way. You might be wondering, how do they do it? Let's find out. Computers are like super smart machines that can do lots of things, but how do they think? We'll explore this question and more in this lesson. You'll learn how computers work and how they can think like you. It's going to be a fun adventure, so let's get started. Imagine you have a toy box full of different colored blocks. Each block has a special job, like building a castle or a car. A computer is like a super smart toy box that can follow instructions to build something new. It uses special codes, like binary, to understand what to do. You can think of these codes like a secret language that only the computer can understand. Just like how you follow instructions to build with blocks, a computer follows its own instructions to do things. This is the basic idea of how computers work, and it's really cool. You'll learn more about binary and instructions later, but for now, let's focus on the basics. So, how does a computer follow instructions? It's actually pretty simple. A computer has a brain called a processor that can understand binary code. Binary code is like a special set of instructions that the computer can read. It's made up of only two numbers, 0 and 1. The computer uses these numbers to do things like add, subtract, and multiply. It's like a super smart calculator that can do lots of things at the same time. You might be wondering, how does it know what to do with all these numbers? That's where instructions come in. Instructions are like a recipe for the computer to follow. They tell it what to do with the numbers and how to use them to build something new. It's really cool, and you'll learn more about it as we go along. Let's look at an example of how a computer uses binary code to do something. Imagine you want to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. A computer can follow instructions to make the sandwich, but it needs to understand the instructions first. It uses binary code to read the instructions and then follows them to make the sandwich. It's like a super smart robot that can make a sandwich for you. You can see how the computer is following the instructions on the screen, and it's really cool. The computer is using binary code to understand what to do, and it's making the sandwich just like you would. It's a simple example, but it shows how computers can think and do things like you. So, why is it important to understand how computers think? It's because computers are all around us, and they're used in lots of different ways. They can help us with things like talking to our friends, playing games, and even doing our homework. But they can also help us with bigger things like making new medicines, exploring space, and keeping us safe. It's really cool to think about all the things that computers can do, and it's even cooler to think about how they can think like us. You'll learn more about how computers are used in the real world as we go along, but for now, let's just say that it's really important to understand how they work. So, what did we learn today? We learned that computers can think and understand things in their own way. We learned that they use binary code to follow instructions and do things. And, we learned that they're used in lots of different ways to help us with our daily lives. It's really cool to think about all the things that computers can do, and it's even cooler to think about how they can think like us. You can see the three main points on the screen, and they're really important to remember. You'll learn more about computers and how they think as we go along, but for now, let's just recap what we've learned so far. Next time, we'll learn about how computers can learn and get better at things. It's like how you learn and get better at things, but for computers. It's really cool, and you won't want to miss it. So, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.